This whole stray cat thing is very problematic. I don't formally do any kind of cat rescue work. I used to, but there goes the globe. The globe noisemaker again, as always. Oh, he must have gone the other way. No, there he is. That's Globe Telecom. Probably the worst company I've ever encountered on the face of the earth. And I've encountered thousands or tens of thousands. Globe Telecom. I even have a website, a web domain with that name in it. They're so bad. But they don't seem to want to spend any money on infrastructure or trained people or product support or anything like that. They're the internet provider here for Manila. I think their second biggest one. They don't want to spend any money to upgrade their service or anything like that. But by God, they love that helicopter. I come in there 4, 5, 6 times a day. I think they use it just to go for coffee and stuff like that. So they're making money hand over fist off the backs of really poor Filipinos and providing some of the, well, not some, the worst internet I've ever seen in my life anywhere in the world. Even Cambodia was better, much better. So they're kind of not well liked in the hood because they're in and out of there with that damn helicopter so many times every day. People hated them anyway, and then they hate the intrusion of that helicopter. Anyway, the cat rescue thing is problematic because a lot of us who try to help cats, or I suppose homeless kids too, they start reasoning that shit, if they can't help them all, why help any? I mean, the task of trying to help even just the cats is so gigantic that it's just unfathomable. People just can't. Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way. Hell. I want to fly the drone field. People are telling me to, when I edit, I do post-edit, to cut out the sections where I almost get hit by a car or people walk into me, almost knock me down. People tell me to edit those out. Problem is, Philippines is the #1 most annoying country I've ever lived in. mostly because of the government, partly because of the people. And I'm living in the very best section of the Philippines that there is. But still, it keeps me cranky every day. Every day that I contemplate walking somewhere, to a restaurant or to a mall, or go fly the drone or go take pictures. Now I stop and I cringe. And I'm hit with a flood of memories of how unpleasant it's going to be. Jesus. There's a big fine for doing that, but they don't give a rat's ass. Yeah, I'm supposed to cut that out. Yeah, right. After, you know, I walk average of 4 to 8 miles a day. And after 179,000 instances of that, that wasn't a bad one, but a lot of times they're close enough to where they'll hit you with their mirrors. And they don't care, just keep going. No, there's no police to speak of. So, let's see. I want to cross there, but would that be another mini nightmare in and of itself? No, the red there should be able to go. Made it. Oh, this will be good. Yeah, this is worth watching. So this guy thinks he's going to back into this gridlock traffic. Well, maybe he will. Good enough people out there, maybe he will. That white car. No, I don't know what they're doing. He hit the white car. Oh, crap. No, I don't know what they're doing. Maybe they didn't. Maybe they just banged on his truck to stop him. I don't know. On Saturday and Sunday they block off the roads, these little roads, and they put out all these things for kids to play with, which is very, very cool. I love it. I love it. It's just a perfect thing. Oh, that one's sponsored by McDonald's. Nice. It gets the kids out, gets the people out, play with each other, see new things. It's for all free. Oh, God. Now it's 2 blocks to the drone field, and you watch. Just about the time I get there, it'll start raining. This camera's been on this whole time. You can see this is, I'm walking flat ground. I'm walking, you know, somewhat slowly. And still, after 3 or 4 blocks now, I'm just running with sweat. The humidity's way up. The temperature's only about like 93. The humidity kills you. The body can't cool itself when the humidity's high. Oh, I forgot about this little dog leg thing you gotta do here. They made a space for you to cross, and then they roped it off right where you would cross. So you gotta go over here. Hope you don't get creamed. Oh God. And right where you're not supposed to cross, they leave that open so you can cross. Cranky, cranky, wanky. Okay. I came to the Philippines having already made the decision I would retire here for the rest of my life, and made a whole bunch of arrangements to do just that. And after all the other Southeast Asian countries I've lived in, Philippines is the second worst. Vietnam is the worst. All the rest of them are better. These are the creepiest damn things. No, they're not under construction, they're finished. This is Filipino art. I understand and I appreciate the work that went into them. I just can't get on board with the concept. I mean, I guess apparently, oh, here's the thing. Oh, maybe you want to zoom and screen print this, I don't know. So, okay, whatever, yada yada. Okay, I just can't get into it. Now you saw that little ditch thing that I just stepped over. 99 times out of 100, nobody look at you sideways. Who cares? But in the Philippines, you will occasionally, or more than occasionally, do something like that. No, you'll have a guard jump out, yell at you, tell you to go back and walk around. That's the kind of stuff that makes me cranky here. You're always on edge, wondering when the next outrage from some guard is going to hit you alongside the head like a cold mackerel in the temple, you know. Alright, here's my drone flying place, and there's no shade whatsoever. Most places here you just simply can't, you're not allowed to fly a drone. So you gotta go to horrible places like this. And all I've got today is a teeny tiny little DJI Neo drone. Can't handle any kind of wind, and we got about 12 knots, occasional gust to 15. So I'm gonna shut down, charge the battery while I assemble the drone.